Ever found yourself frustrated by having to manually take photos, missing key proof during shipping, or struggling to find evidence during return disputes? Well, today, we've got a new feature that solves all these problems. BigSeller's Capture Proof, automatic photo capture and sending feature. Simply scan the shipping label, and the system will automatically capture a photo of the package, no manual effort required. Let's start right now. First, go to the Capture Proof page in BigSeller app. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to configure. There are two options here: Auto Ship after sending image, saving image. Once enabled, your package will be auto-shipped after sending or saving the photos. And also here is the Auto Send and Save function. Once enabled, the system automatically saves and sends the image to the buyer. You can notice here are several settings. Delay means sets delay before the system captures the photo after scanning. Photo confirmation. Once enabled, system will remind you to manual confirmation before sending the photo. And for clarity, caption and proof method settings, you can set according to your needs. After setting, I will show you the process to use this function. First, print a shipping label. Then scan the shipping label. The system will process the package photo according to your settings. Pay attention, this function only supports Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok orders yet. Additionally, if you face a return dispute, you can find the image records in the Order module order tools. It's very useful, right? Try BigSeller's powerful new feature today and streamline your order management. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us through above channels.